Hi everyone, let's continue Laplace Transform third session. The first session we have completed the introduction, second section all the formulas the work over. Now we are going to solve the problems from Laplace Transform. Okay, so these are the again the recall session. What is Laplace transform of 1 e power at, e power minus at? Again, it's kind of one revision. Now we'll do the first. Find the Laplace transform of the following. The question is find the Laplace transform for the following. So the first one for all the problem today's session. First one, Laplace transform of e power 3t. So what is this is e power at format. What is Laplace transform of e power at? 1 by s minus a. The coefficient of t is a, right? Here the coefficient of t is a. The value of a is 3. Therefore the answer 1 by s minus 3. Okay. So second problem. Find Laplace transform of e power minus 7t. This is minus 80. Minus 80 formula 1 by s plus a. Value of a is coefficient of t. So the answer 1 by s plus 7. A value is 7. Third problem. Find Laplace transform of sin 3t. This is sin 80. The value of a is 3. Sin 80 formula a by s square plus a square. The value of a is 3. 3 by a square plus 3 square. Therefore, the answer 3 by s square plus 9. 3 by s square plus 9. Kindly recall all the formulas. The basic formula is very important doing this kind of problems. Fourth one, Laplace transform of cos 60. You know the formula s by s square plus a square. The value of a is 6. So 6 square. Answer for this problem is s by s square plus 36. And fifth one, Laplace transform of sin h3t. This is sin 80. The value sin h80. Value of a is 3. Formula a by s square minus a square. So the answer 2 by s square minus 9. Fifth problem. Sixth problem. This is sixth one. Sixth problem, Laplace transform of cos ht. So this is cos 80. The value of a is here 1. So the formula for this is s by s square minus a square. That is 1 square. Answer is s by s square minus 1. This is the value of cos ht. Next, seventh problem, Laplace transform of t power 4, that is this is Laplace transform of t power n. Answer n factorial by s power n plus 1. The power value is n. Here the power value is 4. Answer is 4 factorial by s power 4 plus 1. The final answer 4 factorial by s power 5. You can expand the 4 factorial. You know how to expand 4 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, so this is your 7th question, and next we'll see 8th one. 8th one, find Laplace transform of 2t plus 3. This is nothing but linear property holds the Laplace transform. I can rewrite the same problem 2 times Laplace transform of t plus, I'm taking 3 out, so 3 times remaining 3 into 1, right? Laplace constant means Laplace transform of 1. So 2 into Laplace transform of t is 1 by t square. 3 into Laplace 1 by s square. 1 by s square. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. So the answer 2 by s square plus 3 by s. So Laplace transform always hold the linear property. 8th one completed, right? 9th problem. Before that, I'll split my session. Okay. Now we'll see. 9th one. So the 9th problem, Laplace transform of t plus 2 the whole square. We don't have direct formula for t plus 2 the whole square. That's what you have to use a plus b whole square formula. So the Laplace transform of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 4t. Now Laplace transform holds the linear property. I can rewrite the same. Laplace transform of t square plus 4 times Laplace transform of 1 plus again 4 times Laplace transform of t. You know t power n is n factorial by s power n plus 1. So 2 plus 1. And Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. And Laplace transform of t is the same thing, n factorial. Here n is 1. N factorial by s power n plus 1. 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2 factorial, 2 by s cube. This is 4 by s and this is 4 by s square. This is the 9th problem. 10th one. Find Laplace transform of sin 6t plus e power minus 2t plus t power 4 plus 7. Right? So Laplace transform holds the linear property. I can separate all the things. So Laplace transform of 6t, Laplace transform of e power minus 2t plus Laplace transform of t power 4 plus I can take 7 out. So Laplace transform of 1. Now direct answer, sin 80 formula, a by s square plus a square, e power minus 80 formula 1 by s plus a, and t power 4 n factorial 4 factorial by n s power n plus 1, so s power 5, and 7 into this is L. Laplace transform of 1 by s. So this is the final answer for doing Laplace transform, right? And the 11th problem, we'll go for the 11th one. So before knowing the 11th problem, see the 11th problem question is Laplace transform of cos square 2t. You know we have the formula for cos 80, but we don't have formula for cos square 80. That's what you have to depend the trigonometry results. So what are the results we have? So first one, cos square a, the formula, you know, cos square a formula, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. You can apply this formula. So similarly, I can simultaneously, I'll do Laplace transform of sin square 3t, sin square 3t. Again, this is sin square a formula. Sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. You can apply whole divided by 2, right? So this is also the trigonometry results. This is also one trigonometry results. So all formula from cos 2a, right? For cos 2a you have 4 results. Using that result we are solving this problem. Okay. Now the value of a is here 2t, correct? The value of a is here 2t. So instead of a you can apply 2t. So Laplace transform of cos square 2t, which is equal to 1 plus cos 2 times a value is 2t divided by 2, correct? So you have to apply properly. The value of a is 2t. Again I can rewrite. I am taking 1 by 2 out. Laplace transform of 1 commonly, plus this one I can write Laplace transform of cos 4t. And it's an ordinary, after that it's a direct formula. So 1 by 2, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s, Laplace transform of cos 4t, that is cos 80, s by s square plus 4 square. So this is the answer. So this is sin square 3t. It's your try yourself question, right? Please try and get the answer. Okay. So next, this is cos square, sin square concept over. Instead of a, you have to substitute sin 3t. So cos 2a, a value substitute 3t. Here also a value substitute 3t. Then this will be sin square 3t is equal to 1 minus cos. 3 2s are 6t will come. So 6a formula. Do it carefully for sin square 3t, right? So how many problem till now we completed? 11, 12. and 13th one. 12th one need to try yourself. Okay, so now the 13th one. So the same concept before going 13th one. You know some results from trigonometry. So that is cos 3a formula, right? Cos 3a formula, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Please recall all the formula. From this we are simplifying cos cube a equal to 1 by 4 will come down, right? 1 by 4 cos 3a. I can read this to bring this side. So plus 3 cos a, right? So similarly we have sin cube a value. Sin cube a, the same concept, 1 by 4 3 sin a minus sin 3a, right? Now we'll do one problem. So find Laplace transform of the 13th question. Find Laplace transform of cos cube 3t. Cos cube 3t. So formula for this is cos cube 3t. The value of a is here 3t. So what will come? The left side cos cube 3t is equal to Laplace 1 by 4 take out. Laplace transform of this is common 1 by 4. Laplace transform of cos 3 times a is 3t. So 3 times means 9t plus 3 cos t. So that is 3t, correct? Only t. And just doing simplification after that, which is equal to 1 by 4 common bracket. 1 by 4 is the common number. Laplace transform of cos 9t plus Laplace transform of, take 3 out, Laplace transform of cos 3t. So finally the answer, take 1 by 4 common value. Cos 80 formula, s by a square plus 9 square a square plus 3 times again cos 3t s by a square plus 3 square. So this is the answer. So similarly, I'll give you one more problem for try yourself. So this is, I have given cos cube 3t, right? And I'll please copy. And I'll give you one more problem for 14th one. Try yourself. Laplace transform of sin cube 3t. I'm expecting the answer from your side. And final answer, I'm also giving the final answer for this problem. So I'm taking 9 outside for this, 9 by 4, and the answer 1 by a square plus 9 minus 1 by a square plus 81. I'm just giving this problem answer. Try yourself and get the answer. Okay, thank you.